Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today we are going to be completing the DIY crystal art Frameables kit from Crafty. This is the party unicorn that I unboxed last week. So we are going to be getting this all done. I am going to put together a time lapse that you will see now. Enjoy. And so here we have the finished picture. You can just see that sheen on there. So pretty. I was amazed at how quickly this came together. It was quicker even than I had anticipated. But that makes it great for an evening project, or when you just want just a quick little thing that you can have the buzz that you get from completion. I think this will be perfect as a gift for a young child or anyone that loves unicorns, and who doesn't love unicorns. As for what's left of the drills, Crafty have been incredibly generous. So for example, the stars, which you can see just in the little dealy bopper antennae there of the unicorn, we needed 2 for the whole painting, and as you can see here we have got plenty left. So I was really able to go in and select the best ones. We have got, I'm not sure, there again, it's the best way to show you probably. So plenty of the gold in both the shades. Okay, the quality of these drills was really lovely. This is the purple, the light purple that is, and then this is the darker purple, so this makes up most of the balloon. Plenty there. And then we've got our main colours, so we've got white, blue, the sort of aqua green, pinky, so it's a sort of a cerise pink, some grey, some yellow, and some fuchsia-y purple. So, didn't run out of anything, was not even close to running out of anything. This is great. I really enjoyed it. It was a nice, you know, relaxing half an hour maybe. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the process as well. If you did, please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will have more in my next video. Bye bye.